In this tutorial, we will be linking Wamp Sever database to Microsoft Access. We would be using our ODBC driver to link the Wamp Sever to the Microsoft Access. I would put links up for it in the description. I would also put a link for my Wamp Sever, which I already have running. So to run, I will go to phpMyAdmin, and here I will create the database. So I'll go to databases, and I'll create a database called customer. I would create, and the customer database is created. So I would go to the left panel and click on customer, and the name of the table would be customer info, and I would put 3 columns, and I would click go. And here I'll just name the columns, so it will be customer ID, customer first name, and customer last name. I would leave the ID type as integer. I would change this to text and text, and I would save. So I have created a database called customer with a table called customer info. Now just to minimize this, and I'm going to run the Microsoft Access as administrator. To do that, you hold on the Shift key and you right click on Microsoft Access, and we run it as administrator. So click yes. Microsoft Access is now running as administrator mode. We're going to create a blank database, and we're going to close this table. We're going to go to external data, ODBC database, and we're going to link to the data source using a link table. So we're going to link to the Wamp Sever. We're going to go to machine data source, and we're going to go to new machine data source, and we're going to use system data and click next, and we're going to scroll down to the ODBC MySQL driver that we installed, and we're going to, this is what we're using to link Microsoft Access to Wamp Sever. So we're going to click next and finish. And data source name, we would use it as the table name we created on Wamp Sever, also as customer. The TCP/IP server would be the local host on the Wamp Sever, and the user would be root. On the database, I would customer, and test connection is successful. Okay, and we have customer here, so we would click OK and click on customer info. Okay, and we would use one field as the unique record identifier, and we would use customer ID as it, and click OK, and customer info, customer. So we just type in like about 3 records. First name Mark Anthony, Mark Anthony, and we'd go with and we would save this and close here, and we will go to our Wamp Sever, phpMyAdmin, and we would pull up the database, and we would customer info. So we have these 3 records. So we link the Wamp Sever to Microsoft Access, and we could populate the fields on Microsoft Access, and here it is. Thank you very much.